One of the things I have not been able to enjoy because of mast cell activation syndrome is outdoor agility with my dog. That is because the sun and the heat are two very big mast cell triggers. Not only does the heat and sun cause rashes and flushing, but it triggers the mast cells into releasing all kinds of chemicals throughout the body, which causes inflammation. Last year, I tried to participate in outdoor agility because I really just wanted to see my friends, and there weren't a lot of options at the time. I wore a hat, I brought an umbrella, I stayed in the shade as much as possible, but I remember walking away from that trial and saying I would never do it again because I threw up and I felt miserable about 2 days after that trial. I just finished my agility run and I'm in my car. I have a silver screen around my car to help keep out some of the heat, but it's just too hot for me. I really just wanted to see my friends and play with my dog, do something I love to do, but I am feeling so sick right now. I'm feeling intense nausea right now. I really just want to go throw up in my own bathroom. I took 2 capsules of Benadryl and I took anti-nausea medicine. I have one more run that I paid for, but I probably need to go home and just rest and maybe take a bath to get some of the inflammation down. It's really frustrating because I enjoy this sport so much, but when it's outside, it's just not really easy for me to do. So last weekend, I was incredibly excited to show up for my first outdoor agility trail, knowing that I tolerate the sun and the heat. And even though I knew that, there was some kind of warning bell going off in my body being like, are you sure you can handle this? It's really hot out. I don't think you can run that fast the entire time I was walking the course. Because of my reactions to the heat and the sun, Quixote has not trained outside, so he is not used to the distractions of the outdoor course. However, when I was able to get his attention and remind him that we were running agility, I was able to get him back on course pretty quickly. I'm super happy with the way Quixote performed after he realized what we were doing and got excited about the course. He's a really good boy and he's so much fun to run with. And I'm so glad I can just focus on running with my dog instead of worrying about getting sick and needing to go home. Not only do I not feel all my organs and I'm not throwing up, but all I feel is sweat, which is a big deal because I didn't sweat for many years and it's totally disgusting. But I'm really happy that my body is working and I'm not puking. For me, one of the most interesting things about comparing those 2 videos is that visibly I don't look that different. My reaction is not that apparent. And this makes sense because not all inflammation is visible, and pain certainly is not always visible. But there is a difference in my voice. My friends have been saying that I am beaming, I am glowing, I am so much fun. I don't think they realized how much pain I was in. I did not realize how much pain I was in. So for anyone who is experiencing chronic pain, I just urge you to continue to be gentle with yourself because your pain is valid, probably more than you even realize. I don't know how long my remission will last. I don't know how long I will be pain-free, but I do know I will be grateful for every moment that I can create joy without that pain.